Hey guys, real quick update. I mentioned a few weeks ago on some of my other social media that I was going to shake things up, and here we go, shaking things up. So, as I've mentioned before, when I picked the name for this channel, Cookie Bastards, way back in 2014, I didn't know what the channel would be, and the name was kind of out of desperation because I couldn't think of anything else, or the stuff I thought of had been taken already. And then as I finally launched the channel a couple of years ago, trying to make it sort of an anti-cooking show channel. I wanted it to be sort of, I don't know, not grubby, but rough around the edges. And it was, and it is, it still is. But I've gotten more into putting up basic stuff and basic techniques and basic tips, and those seem to be the videos people respond to, and I like doing them. So going in a little bit different direction. I'm going to start focusing more on that stuff. And as part of that, I'm changing the name of the channel. It's now going to be, are you ready? You ready? Cookshop. Sort of like wood shop or metal shop, only for cooking. So that hopefully will be happening this week, over the course of the week. I don't really know how it's going to go. But all the old videos should still be here. All the same stuff, the same dummy in front of the camera. Just a new name, a little bit different focus, although it's been, same focus I've been doing for the past several videos. So not much is going to change, mostly just the name. Hopefully you stick with me. If not, I appreciate it. No hard feelings. Let me know what you think in the comments. I'm sure you will. And cheers.